As of November 2025, PayPal allows you to deposit Ethereum into your PayPal account. To find your ETH wallet address, open the PayPal app or website. Navigate to the crypto section, then buy, sell, and hold, and select Ethereum. Tap deposit and choose transfer from another wallet. A unique 42-character hexadecimal string starting with 0x will be displayed. This is your ETH wallet address. You'll also see a QR code for easy scanning. This address is what you'll use to receive ETH from other wallets or exchanges. Remember, PayPal's ETH wallet is custodial, meaning PayPal manages the private keys. You have several options for depositing ETH into your PayPal account. Internal transfers involve buying ETH directly within PayPal using fiat currency. External deposits mean sending ETH from external wallets, such as MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet, or exchanges like Binance or Kraken. As of 2025, PayPal supports transfers across Ethereum-compatible networks like Polygon and Arbitrum, reducing gas fees. A peer-to-peer feature allows sending ETH between PayPal users without on-chain fees. Note that direct deposits from hardware wallets, like Ledger, aren't supported. You'll need to transfer to a software wallet first. While incoming transfers are generally free, withdrawals to external addresses incur small fees. Ensure you double-check the address when depositing, as blockchain transactions are irreversible.